In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT as your personal Etsy listing assistant to create compelling product descriptions. I start by setting the stage, asking ChatGPT to act as a writing assistant that focuses on warm, handcrafted, and specific descriptions rather than generic ones. ChatGPT acknowledges the style and provides a helpful framework for the details it needs to get started. Next, I provide specific details for a handmade soy wax candle, including its amber glass jar, unique scents, and burn time. ChatGPT immediately generates a comprehensive listing including a search-friendly title, an inviting description, and a structured list of key details. It even adds important care instructions and relevant tags to help the item stand out in search results. To explore different styles, I ask the AI to write 3 distinct versions of the description. One that's warm and cozy, one that's clean and minimal, and a third focused on gifting. The AI produces 3 unique options that allow me to choose the tone that best fits my brand voice. Each version uses sensory language tailored to its specific theme, ensuring the candle feels personal and meaningful to the buyer. Finally, I ask for a full optimization of the listing to ensure it's perfectly tuned for search visibility and buyer conversion. ChatGPT delivers a final, polished listing with an optimized title and description, while explaining the specific strategic changes made to improve readability and keyword targeting. This ensures the listing is not only beautiful to read but also performs well on the Etsy platform. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.